Hi everyone, my name is Chase, and I'll be showing you guys some keyboard shortcuts on Chromebooks. One of them is how to turn caps lock on or off. To do so, you have to do Search and Alt. In doing so, you'll see a little icon down here that shows the caps lock icon, and then you could type in caps lock. To turn it off, all you have to do is the same command. Another feature is how to use the function keys as if you were using a normal keyboard like Mac or Windows. You have to do search in any key on the top row. So if you do search in the back arrow, you get a little help menu. And if you do search in the lower brightness button, it takes you to the URL. Another helpful feature is clipboard. Clipboard is all the stuff you've copied and pasted. So if I copy search V and then do search V, it brings up my clipboard. And then I just have to hit this and it pastes it. These are some useful keyboard shortcuts on Chromebooks. Thanks for watching.